How do we treat the disabled people? Why do we stare at them like aliens have landed on Earth? Let's respect and love them like normal human beings. And whenever Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I am Aaron Dias, founder and CEO of Signature Turned Autograph, MC by hobby and student by profession. So let's start with today's video. This story is about that person who looks disabled, but he is not. He looks like a special child. Yes, he is God's special child. Yes, he is no other than law student Krunal Thakur. Krunal was born in Arambol, Goa to a CRPF soldier and a medical nurse. He was born like normal kids, but 3 months later he was diagnosed with muscle dystrophy. It is a disease which causes progressive weakness and loss of muscle mass. His parents did all possible treatment, operations, physiotherapy and whatnot, but as of now it is an incurable disease. He then joined Harmal Panchkushi school and all necessary facilities were made available to him. Many people were, why send him school? Keep him home. After all, rest of his life he will be home only. Krunal topped 10th and 12th standards, scoring highest percentage at the school level and also scoring highest percentage at the state level by a disabled person. Looking at his achievements, his school started a separate section for autism children, where neurological developmental disability children can study. Here is a small clip from his interview.
हांव विचारपासून म्हाका एकलो कोण मनीस जाय जो म्हाज्या वांगडा ऑलवेज सपोर्टाक आसूंक जाय मानता पण अशें आतां तुमकां अशें सांगूंक शकता की आतां जो कोण आतां माणूस आसा जो जन्माक येयला ताका सुद्दां खंय ना खंय कोणा कोणाची हेल्प जायच पडटा. आतां जर जेव्हा तो ल्हानपणांत आसा ताका आई वडिलांची साथ जाय पडटा. आतां मिडल एजान आनी कोण मित्र मंडळी आसली मागीर तेची ओन फॅमिली तेजो साथ येता. असं ना की म्हाका एकट्याकाच साथ जायो कुठे ना कुठे मनशाक एकामेकाचो साथ जायो.
Krunal loves exploring and is involved in many businesses like travel agency, real estate and so on. Krunal has more than 250 brokers in his contact. Currently, Krunal is studying law and one day after being an advocate, he wants to make laws for specially disabled people so that they can also live their life normally like others. Krunal loves enjoying the view at the beach side. But are Goan beaches disabled people friendly? Krunal wants to request the government to make the public places easily accessible for the disabled people. How do we treat the disabled people? Why do we stare at them like aliens have landed on Earth? Let's respect and love them like normal human beings and whenever possible, let's help them. Krunal is also a social activist and he wants to get a change in society through politics. So this was the story of Krunal Thakur. You can also check out my other videos like the story of Dominic D'Souza, first Goan HIV patient, Dr. Pramod Sawant, current CM of Goa and so on. Do you know anyone who has worked hard to achieve success? Or who is working for the betterment of society? Or do you have any love story to share like Nitesh Prajapat and Dimple Palmer? Or would you like to say thank you to your closed ones for all their efforts? Then you are free to contact us. दुसऱ्यांनी तुमचे थाय केलेलें तुमकां जाय तशेंच तुमी दुसऱ्या थाय करात.
I can also tell you on that coconut how many coconuts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Wow.
16 coconuts are there.
So you develop that
That ability.